Welcome to CK Quiz channel. Today we will discuss military exercises of 2025. So first question is the 19th edition of Joint Military Exercise Surya Kiran 2025 was held between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Nepal. The 19th edition of Joint Military Exercise Surya Kiran 2025 was held between India and Nepal in Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand in November 2025. Next, the Joint Military Exercise Aquarian 2025 was held between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, Maldives. The 14th edition of Joint Military Exercise Aquarian 2025 was held in Kerala in December 2025. Next, the second edition of India and UAE Joint Military Exercise Desert Cyclone 2nd was held in which country? Correct answer is option C, Abu Dhabi, UAE. The second edition of India and UAE Joint Military Exercise Desert Cyclone 2 was held in Abu Dhabi in December 2025. Next, where is the 11th edition of Mitra Shakti 2025 was conducted in November 2025? Correct answer is option D, Belagavi, Karnataka. The 11th edition of Indian Sri Lanka Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 was held in Karnataka in November 2025. Next, the bilateral maritime exercise Ekta was held between India and which country in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. The joint maritime exercise Ekta was held between India and Maldives in December 2025. Next, which country hosted the exercise Ocean Sky 2025? Correct answer is option A, Spain. The Indian force became the first non-NATO country to participate in exercise Ocean Sky 2025 hosted by Spanish Air Force in Spain in October 2025. Next, where was the 21st edition of Indian US Joint Military Exercise Yudh Abhyas 2025 was held in September 2025? Correct answer is option D, Alaska, USA. The 21st edition of Indian US Joint Military Exercise Yudh Abhyas 2025 was held in Alaska, USA. Next, in which country the 19th edition of Multinational Military Exercise Bright Star 2025 was held in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Egypt. The 19th edition of Multinational Military Exercise Bright Star was held in Egypt in September 2025. Next, the 32nd edition of Bilateral Maritime Exercise Simbex 2025 was conducted between India and which country in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Singapore. The 32nd edition of Indian Singapore Bilateral Maritime Exercise Simbex 2025 was held in Singapore. Next, the 14th edition of Joint Military Exercise Bold Kurukshetra was held between India and which country in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Singapore. The 14th edition of India and Singapore Joint Military Exercise Bold Kurukshetra was held in Jodhpur, Rajasthan in July 2025. Next, which two countries conducted the military exercise Indra 2025 in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, India and Russia. The joint military exercise Indra was conducted between India and Russia in Bikaner, Rajasthan in October 2025. Next, where was the 29th edition of Multinational Naval Exercise Malabar 2025 held?